No, she just wants to jump into the cubes. They don't let her.
Pues si le dieron algo aburrido, esa nena siempre, ella tanto va a estar que va a caer para allá adentro. Oh, they get too voltage.
What? What?
They get too voltage.
Where? Where? Where?
Vanessa's gonna finally jump in the room.
She's gonna get stuck. I knew it.
What's up, boo boo? She in her little class, boo. She don't want to be bothered right now. She in her little gymnastics. Yeah, we can't even go in there ourselves. She just left us. She didn't give a damn. She said, peace out. Yep. Now she's going to jump into the rocks. Into the little...
The cubes.
The cubes. Huh? We get to watch her from the glasses, but she just left us like she didn't give a damn. She said, peace, bye. She don't care at all. At all, boy. Look, all she want to do is jump in the rocks. In the cubes. There's groups. They're like older kids, and then just a little group of them.
Where is she?
She's in the rocks, y'all. But they had their hands full because the little girl called her a cracker. And she called the little girl back. I'll tell you later. I'll text it to you. Yep.
I want to go get it. Mommy, come on.
And Vanessa called her back, and the little girl started crying.
Mommy.
I was like, what is that? Evan said, no.
Look at her.
Yeah.
She's gonna flip right over.
I don't know, boo. I was like, Vanessa, why'd you call her that? She said, oh, because she called me that. I was like, but she made the little girl cry.
Take your time with it.
Well, let me call you right back. Let me call you right back. Don't cry. Mama, where are you going? No, get over here.